Hello, viewers of AIADDACTION. Today we're diving into a highly practical topic. Top 5 trending AI tools that are revolutionizing office productivity, making work more efficient, easier, and even fun. Have you ever felt drained by repetitive tasks? Or wished for a personal assistant to help you get things done quickly? If so, this video is for you. The tools I'm about to introduce could completely transform the way you work. 1: Gravity Write - the ultimate writing assistant. Have you ever felt that writing emails, reports, or presentations is too time-consuming and dull? That's where Gravity Write comes in. This tool works like a professional writer, always ready to assist you. Key features: Gravity Write can create emails, blog posts, reports, and even presentations at lightning speed. Simply input a few keywords or short phrases, and you'll receive a complete draft in under a minute. Real-life example. Imagine you're rushing to finish your weekly sales report. Just type in "weekly sales report," and Gravity Write will process the data and deliver a well-structured, data-rich result. If you want to save time and focus on more important tasks, Gravity Write is the ideal companion. 2. Mubert AI Office Soundtrack Creator. Sometimes the office atmosphere can feel monotonous, right? No worries, because Mubert AI can completely change that. This AI tool creates personalized soundtracks to boost your focus and productivity. Highlights: select the mood or music style you want, like focus, creative, or relax, and Mubert AI generates a customized track in seconds. All tracks are royalty-free, perfect for use in videos, presentations, or just for listening while you work. Practical application: when you're working on a tight deadline, play a Mubert AI playlist to stay focused. Science shows that the right music can boost productivity by up to 30%. 3: CapCut Professional Video Editing Made Easy. Need to edit videos quickly without being a pro? CapCut is a powerful video editing app perfect for both beginners and seasoned content creators. Key features: basic and advanced editing. Trim, adjust speed, add text, filters, and stunning transitions. Audio and music integration. Access a library of royalty-free music and sound effects. Auto captioning tool. Automatically recognizes speech and videos and generates accurate captions. Special effects. Includes modern filters and effects to make your videos stand out. Real-life example. Recorded a vlog or TikTok video and need to cut out the unnecessary parts. CapCut lets you trim, add effects, background music, and captions in just a few simple steps. For marketing campaigns, CapCut helps you create eye-catching videos without the need for complex software. Try CapCut today to turn your creative ideas into reality effortlessly. 4. Shiken AI Smart Learning. If you need a tool to improve your learning or quickly enhance your knowledge, Shiken AI is the ideal choice. This tool uses AI to help you practice and learn effectively. Key features: create custom quizzes and questions. Shiken AI can create quizzes and practice questions based on the topics you are studying, helping you focus on your weaknesses and improve your knowledge. Analyze learning results. After each test, Shiken AI provides a detailed analysis, highlighting areas that need improvement. Create study plans. The AI helps you schedule your study sessions and track your progress. Practical applications. When you need to prepare for an exam or enhance your knowledge in a specific field, Shiken AI helps you practice quickly and efficiently, ensuring you don't miss any important areas. With the result analysis and study plan recommendations, Shiken AI becomes a valuable tool for improving your learning skills. 5. ElevenLabs Cutting-edge voice technology. Have you ever thought turning text into speech was something out of science fiction? With ElevenLabs, it's now a reality. Special features: convert any text into natural, emotion-filled, and highly realistic speech. Customize the voice tone to match your audience. Practical application. ElevenLabs is incredibly useful for online meetings, presentations, or even creating video content. Imagine taking a blog post and transforming it into a podcast effortlessly with ElevenLabs. Conclusion. We've just explored 5 amazing AI tools that can revolutionize the way you work in the office. These tools not only save you time, but also significantly enhance productivity and work quality. Which tool impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below and share your thoughts. I've included free registration links in the description. Feel free to check them out and start your journey with these incredible tools. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to AI Add Action, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our future videos. See you in the next video.